Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you my everyday makeup routine. This is basically what I do every time I put myself in the camera so I don't look dead like I'm looking right now. So before I do my makeup, I always moisturize my face, and this is the one I use. This is Mario Badescu Dewy Cream. Okay, and for primers, I use these two primers. This is from Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer, and this one is e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. I use this together because I feel like it gives me like a really smooth skin when I do my makeup, and I love it. So the first one I'm gonna do is this one, Grip Primer. Just is it usually where I have all my pores. So basically I just let it set for about a minute, 50 seconds, and then I begin with my foundation. For foundation, this is like my holy grail. This is Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. This is in shade Natural Beige. So I really love this foundation because it really gives me nice coverage, and you can build this up as much as you want. So as you can see, it gives it like a nice coverage. It's not too matte. It gives you like a little glow. After I tried to contour my face with a darker concealer, it gives like natural contour. This and when I learned how to use darker concealer for contour, it just changed my life. I don't think I'm gonna use bronzer again. You see? So for concealer, I'm using two. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Medium Natural. And this one is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics C7. I just put a little bit on my under eyes over here and this side, and it's easy to blend. It reminds me of Shape Tape, but this is like lighter, you know, light. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying. But this is basically what I do when I do a natural makeup, because you say natural makeup but you use like 1,000 products just to do your natural makeup. Start with my forehead first, and I like to blend a lot. My nose and my chin. I have the new liquid blush from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, and I love it so much. Oh my god, I'm so in love with that blush. Is insane. It melts into your skin and it looks so beautiful. You will see, because that's the one I'm gonna use now. For blush, like I said before, I'm using this liquid blush from Rare Beauty. So this is the color. It's called Joy, and I love it so much. A little bit goes a long way. It just melts into your skin like nothing. Like there. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. Okay, so now that we have our blush, we look alive, we look amazing, we look beautiful, we are going to use setting powder. And my favorite is this Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love this powder so much, and I put it in the areas. I mean, I usually just put it all over my face. Sprays herself with setting spray. So the reason why I use setting spray after my setting powder is because it will press like all your powders in your skin and it will look more natural. So this is the Precisely my brow pencil in 4.5. I brush up my hairs first. for mascara, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Volume. I'm so cheap for mascara. I don't buy expensive mascara. I love highlighter. If I could, I put in like my whole face, but so the one I'm using right now is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. My cheeks, oh my god, look at this. Beautiful. And after highlighter is lipsticks. I'm using this Milani Ludicrous, I don't know how you pronounce that, lip gloss in Semi Charmed. This is so cute. Okay, so next step is going to be eyelashes. But if you are one of those girls that doesn't like to wear lashes or just don't have the time, you can skip this part and you are done over here. But if you are one of those girls, I'm using this. This is very simple and they are so beautiful. This is from Cavalli Lashes and this is in Aloha. These are the ones I'm gonna use now. So for lashes, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I just want to be like this, but sometimes I want to wear eyelashes. And today is one of those days that I want to wear eyelashes. And they are beautiful. And we are done. This is basically the makeup that I go to when I have to go out for some reason that I usually don't. But when I have to record, I like to do this like natural makeup, sometimes with lashes, sometimes with no lashes. Like I said, it depends on my mood. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which products are your favorites right now, because these are my favorites, so I would like to know which ones are yours, so maybe I can try them. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.